It was raining earlier, but now the sun is out and it is hot out here. We are still kicking it in Pattaya. We in Jam Tien area. I wanted to bring you guys another condo tour video because you guys didn't like the condo tours. I've actually changed locations. If you see my last video, it was kind of like a day in the life video. I showed you guys the Laguna. I am no longer at Laguna. I am at a new place called Amazon Residence. So I'm gonna show you guys the condo. It's a 1-bedroom. I like it a lot better than Laguna. There's more space. And after I got a feel for being in a 1-bedroom versus a studio, definitely prefer to have the 1-bedroom. That way I don't feel like I'm, you know, kind of just in a box all day. So yeah, but first I'm gonna show you guys the area because it's real convenient where I'm at, in my opinion. And I don't even own a bike yet. I actually think I'm gonna buy me one in like a couple days just to ride around, get to and fro from the gym, even though I can walk to the gym. But yeah, so let me go ahead and flip the camera, show you guys the area because it has everything I need right in the vicinity. So my place is a little bit off to the side road. Up here though, once we get in this main street, you know, we got 7-Eleven, we got a Lotus Mini Mart. So you know, you do a little bit of grocery shopping. I'm actually swing by there and get me some chicken to go home and fry up. My gym is literally just a 6-minute walk to the right from up here, so that's good and convenient. I've got a full gym membership because, you know, the apartments be having gyms, but I need like a full gym, and then also they don't be that big, so if anyone's there, it's hard to get a good workout in because all the equipment will be taken. So yeah, and my gym is called Bear, I think it's called what, Bear Fitness or something like that. So right here in the corner got a coffee shop. Looks like they have Wi-Fi. They got Wi-Fi there, so I might have to pull up there later. And honestly, one of my favorite things about this area, one, it's pretty quiet, but like, two, is there's a lot of street food options. So 50 baht fried rice, 50 baht pat krapao. See, you got the fresh fruit stands. Right over here is a market. Over there you can get fresh fruit and smoothies and whatnot. You got massage places, so you really got everything you need. Like I said, 7-Elevens, there's a couple of them on the street. One here, one further down. And I'll show you guys the market in a second. Let's go. Brothers over here, I don't know where they're from, but so you can see right here, this is where I come eat at a lot. And I'm gonna get me some chicken fried rice for 50 baht. Let's go. So this place right here is perfect because once I get out of the gym, a lot of times, you know, I'm hungry, work out, so I come over here and get me some chicken and broccoli, you know, rice. And for you guys who don't know, 50 baht is literally $1, so it's like $1.31. It's a great deal. Okay, so while I'm waiting on him to prep, I'm gonna go up over here into this Lotus Go Fresh and get a couple groceries and things for the apartment. So you guys can see these little markets are perfect for, like, you know, your basic needs, necessities. There are also bigger bigger stores around the corner from here, probably about 5-6 minutes away. You got multiple, you got a Big C, the Lotus actual big store. I think there's a store called like Macro or something like that. Let's see if they got what I need. I don't see any whole wings today. I wanted to fry whole wings. That's a bummer. Let's see. So you guys can see, you can get, you know, what you need up here. We got grapes, apples, oranges, certain vegetables, different seasonings. Normally I would get my chicken from over here. It looks like they're almost empty though, so I don't want drumsticks. I wanted some whole wings, but I'm gonna just get the other ones instead. All right, so let's come over here and grab us a pack of chicken. All right, this will do. 73 baht. That comes out to about $3 or $2.50. I also need me a sponge for the crib. I need something else, I can't remember. Oh, I think paper towels. For my fitness people in Thailand, you can just come to like 7-Eleven or Lotus and get these protein shakes. They're only 44 baht, which is $1. So protein powder here is pretty expensive, but you can, like I said, the protein shakes are actually pretty cheap. I got a handful of groceries and now I'm about to check out. And so I got my rice for $1.30. Let's go back to the crib. So you got like this nail salon here. Go get you a pedicure, manicure. Guys, take care of your feet and your hands. It's not just a thing for girls. It's okay for men to have, you know what I'm saying? Don't walk around with dirty fingers and whatnot. So first thing we're gonna look at, before we look at the room, I'm gonna show you guys the amenities here at this apartment complex. So right now I'm sitting in front of like the main like little lobby area before you get to the pool. And behind me, got this little bit machine, which is kind of convenient. I haven't used it yet, but it looks pretty cool. Got this Tao Bin beverage machine, which is pretty cool, because you can get protein shakes here. I haven't tried one yet. Should I try one? I don't have no cash on me. Soda. Look at that. That's crazy. Let's go back. Yeah, that's pretty cool. I'm gonna have to try something. I'm gonna have to go get some cash and try something from this machine. Also got the reverse osmosis system right here. So if you need to get you some water, you can fill it up here. So one of the really cool parts about this apartment complex is the pool. The pool here is like really dope. It's pretty big. And once again, being at the place is called Amazon, they got all these trees in the middle and you got a big ass pool that goes, it's the whole middle section, kind of like Laguna in a sense, with the whole inside is a pool. But yeah, it is dope. Dope pool. I like that it's shaded. The water temperature is good. I don't even know what the sign means. It looked like it's saying like no, I don't know what this is. I'm gonna have to see if I take a picture and translate it. No pooping, no peeing, I don't know. Anyway, keep it going, keep it moving. Got this little small pool you can chill out in. I was actually here yesterday because it was really hot. So yeah. Bathroom. Walk this way. So they're doing some work over here, but there's more pool on that side. Not too much. And I don't think the pool is running right now because it just rained. So I don't think anything's turned on while they're working. But yeah, very nice pool. Nice building, nice residence overall. I like it here. There's a slide, water slide right here, so you can go up, come down the slide. Let's walk over this way. There is a restaurant here. I wasn't even aware of that. But yeah, so you got a restaurant right at the building. It's closed today. But look, they got pizzas. I'll do a review on that a different day. Another reverse osmosis machine. Let's come over here into this area. And I believe that the gym is like in this building. So let me see if I can find it. I don't know what floor it's on though. 2. We're gonna have to play a guessing game. The gym is key card access. All right, so level 3 is where the gym is at. As you can see, treadmills, some leg machines, pretty decent equipment in here. This is actually not a bad gym. Got that. Yeah, honestly, this gym is pretty straight. Okay, well, you can find it through the stairs as well. Come over here, more equipment. can do squats, grab a bench, do bench press, got dumbbells. Yeah, this is actually not bad at all. I could definitely get a good workout on here, for sure. All right. Let's go outside. So this right here, this is the top pool you guys seen. So you got up here, and then you got the water slide right there. So let's walk down. You guys can see a full view. That's pretty dope though. Nice. So yeah, here go the top pool, and then right above it, it's a pretty cool spot. And then you got the beautiful Amazon right in the middle. Lovely. So here's a full view for you guys. Amazon residence, baby. Oh, what are y'all thinking? Would y'all pay $300 a month to live here? This is like a cool spot. You got a gym, restaurant in the building, beautiful pool for relaxation. And then the room itself is pretty spacious depending on which one you get. I'm not sure how many different types of rooms they have here. But yeah, let's go check out the room now and see what's up. This Thailand life, y'all, like, just chill, man. Love it out here. Like, people want to know, like, okay, you've been here for almost 7 months now. Like, has your opinion, has your perspective changed on Thailand? No, it's gotten better. Like, this is really an escape from the Matrix. Like, man, the only thing I miss about the U.S. is food and people. But I don't miss it enough to be in a rush to come back. Other than that, if someone asks me, what do you miss about the U.S.? Food and people. Nothing else, man. I love it here. Like, it's hard to even, get myself to go visit the U.S. again. I will eventually though, maybe, I don't know, in a month or two, who knows. But I'm so comfortable here, man. It's hard to leave. It's hard to leave, for real. And somebody asked me why I wasn't offering consultations. So I'm gonna open up some consultations. If you guys are interested, you wanna consult about, living in Thailand, whatever. Link will be below this video. And also my Remote Life Academy will be dropping soon. It's gonna be lit. It's really gonna drop you guys some game for those who are interested in creating a lifestyle where you can make money and live in somewhere like Thailand, or make money from your laptop, whatever. I want to share the game with you guys, so that will be available pretty soon. So definitely when that comes out, you're gonna want to check it out. I'm gonna have a super crazy offer for you guys when I first launch it. So yeah, hop on that. All right, so here is the apartment. So as y'all can see, very spacious. Like, the living room alone is bigger than Laguna. So the couches though, I ain't putting this stuff in here. Apartments in Thailand already come furnished. They put some raggedy couches. I ain't gonna lie, I had to cover this one up. This one is trash. So they could do a better job with the furniture, but the room itself is pretty nice. So equipped with the TV. I like that it has a full-size fridge, so freezer inside of there. Not really crazy going on. Got plenty of open area over here, equipped with a washing machine, microwave, stovetop, little sitting area to eat your food. About to fry me some chicken once I finish this video. Then come out here, we got the balcony. Ain't really no views, you know what I'm saying? We ain't really got nothing to look at, but yeah, so you got a balcony in case you just want to be outside. Come back this way. There you see. Got the shoe stand. These are some fake shoes I bought from Mike's Shopping Mall for 20 bucks. But I bought them to play basketball and mess up, so yeah. Also bought some Yeezys for another 20 bucks, so $40 for 2 pair of shoes. These are from the US. These are real. They need to be cleaned. But yeah, you can tell the difference in quality between the two shoes. Anyway, moving on. Come over here to the bedroom. Decent sized bedroom. Got the fan going on in here and the AC, because I like it cold. Little sitting area to get ready at. Closet space right here. Yeah, so not a bad deal. And then Last but not least, the bathroom. Shower, toilet, sink. Your boy, what's good? Boy does a little bit of chefing. Gotta whip myself up some buffalo wings. Let's get it. All right, y'all, let's argue in the comments. Are flats better than drums? And do you like your wings naked or breaded? Buffalo, plain, or honey barbecue? See what y'all about. So these are the naked wings. These are the breaded ones. I'm making the buffalo sauce right now. Give it a little stir. So the wings is done, naked wings, breaded wings. Got the fried rice. And you know we gotta have the ranch dipping sauce with it. Let's go. All right, y'all, let's go for the first dip. Buffalo wings at home by Zay. Ranch. Look at me. Looking a mess. That's it right there. That's it. That's how we do it, baby. All right, time for a breaded buffalo wing. Let's see who's gonna be the winner. The bread is hitting too, though. Maybe I need to open up a wing business here in Thailand. If you're in Pattaya, you want to order some wings from me, hit my line. I got you. It'd be the best wings here. I can't lie, y'all. Good God. So I think I'm gonna have to say the breaded ones win. The naked was good, but the breaded, extra busting.